Do you want to make your own beats? Your chance is here. I'm music producer Phoenix, also known as Dr. Lowell Leibarger, media librarian at the Ross Pendergraph Library. And I'll be teaching a series of beat-making workshops right here at the ATU Media Lab. Over the space of 3 days, we'll dive into sequencing, sampling, and all the essentials to get your beats realized. On Monday, October 20th, we'll cover Breakbeat, that iconic American rhythm created by soul and funk musicians such as James Brown and the Winston Brothers. On Wednesday, October 22nd, we'll make trap beats, by far the dominant rhythm that pervades the contemporary soundscapes of the world. On Friday, October 24th, we'll explore the high-energy rhythms of jungle and drum and bass. You know, that sound you've heard in late 90s and early 2000s racer games. It came from the UK as an adaptation of breakbeat rhythms from the United States. You'll learn how to structure your tracks, craft drum patterns, and use samples with MIDI sequencing while gaining experience in Ableton Live from the first kick to the final drop. Ableton Live is one of the most powerful tools for electronic music production. You'll learn how to build your first loop and then expand that idea to more complex rhythms. And you'll be assisted by two very capable Media Lab workers, music producers in their own right, Big O and Weird. Join us at the ATU Media Lab to make some beats. Register now.